everyone, so today we're going to plant up a few roses. I've got 3 new miniatures for the miniature garden here, which is really starting to take off. We're starting to see some great color. That is lavender, and that's where I'm going to put it, is right there. I have a coral right there. And I'm basically filling in gaps where I need a bit of color. And then over here, we kind of have an orangey red, which I think looks really nice against the yellows. I felt like this area was way too much yellow going on, and we needed a pop of brilliant color in there with the lime petunias. So I think these will do the trick. All right, so all 3 of them have been planted now. So that is amazing. So that was the lavender one. Here is the coral one. And then we have kind of the orange one over here. I think it'll complement really nice with the lime petunias and look gorgeous. We'll see. But the bed's starting to get a lot of nice colors in. They're kind of complementary colors. I think if I keep red out of here, it'll all work together. But if I add red in here, that might throw everything off, is my thinking, because they all seem to complement each other right now. And here's a look at the bed from start to finish, how it's looking for colors. You can see the mixture in here now. I think it's coming together and looking really good. So that's a good project done, getting 3 miniature roses planted. Now let's go plant another rose. So this is Morden Fireglow Rose. It's zone 3. It's from Rooted Living, and it is gorgeous. Check this out. I think this was just the pop of color this bed needed here. If we stand back a bit, you can see that there's not a lot of color in here yet. When the lilies bloom, there'll be more, but right now there's not a lot. So that rose gives me the color I need in this bed to give it a pop. And so I only bought one to try it and see how it does. So we'll see how it winters over, and if it does well, then next year I will try to find a couple more and add them in here and do a grouping. But usually I will just purchase like one of a rose type when I'm experimenting and trying something new, because I don't like to invest a lot in if they don't do well over the winter here, because we're such a cold zone. But because this says zone 3, I feel fairly confident it will do well. But the iridescence of it is just beautiful, and I think it looks great in the garden. Let me know in the comments what you think of this rose and if you grow it in your garden. I got it for half price. It was $24.99. And just a bit of information on it. It's semi-double flowering in small clusters throughout the season of orange-red. It's a blend that makes this plant in high demand. It's a reoccurrent bloomer. And I got it at Dutch Growers. It's a Morden Fireglow Rose Rosa. So I'm very happy with it. I don't think the picture does it justice, because the picture looks more red, and it's got an iridescent to it if we look at it really close. So much better than the picture. Anyhow, let me know what you think, and leave me a comment or two. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, everyone. Bye.